Hi and welcome to Food and Magic. In this video you will see a very easy and unique recipe of a soup. This is Dalia Almond soup loaded with vegetables. It's a perfect recipe if you are very health conscious and want to eat right. This soup tastes best when it is piping hot, and believe me, you will keep making it once you try it. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's see the ingredients. Here I have some finely chopped garlic, pepper powder, chili flakes, green capsicum finely chopped, red capsicum finely chopped, broccoli which is finely chopped, carrots finely chopped, a tablespoon of butter, some finely chopped French beans. These are 10 to 12 soaked almonds which I will grind to a paste. This is broken wheat or dalia. I'm going to pressure cook this for 2 whistles by adding 1 bowl of water. Here I've used toned milk and some salt. The exact measurements we will see further in the video. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the kadhai. You can use refined oil if you like. Once this is hot, then add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Saute till it turns aromatic. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder at this stage, as I will add half a teaspoon later on. After a minute, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped French beans and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrots. And saute for 2 minutes, as we don't want to overcook these vegetables. Now add in 2 teaspoons each of green and red capsicum and 2 teaspoons of chopped broccoli. Lightly mix everything well. Now I will add the boiled broken wheat or dalia. This soup can be eaten as breakfast or as a meal. This is quite filling due to the veggies, almond, milk and the wheat. Also, I would like to mention that do not add a lot of water while boiling the broken wheat, or it may turn lumpy. Now this is mixed well, it's time to add the almond paste. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of almond paste made from the almonds I had soaked. The almonds are added to the soup to give a feeling of fullness, and they also build our immunity to common colds, cough and fever. Add about 200 ml of water just to mix everything well. Later I will add the milk. You can choose to add only milk instead of water. Here I am adding 200 ml of toned warm milk. If the milk is not warm, it may curdle, so always use warm milk. Add in salt as per taste and bring to a boil on medium heat. Lastly, I will add the remaining pepper powder. It really adds a nice taste. I would request you all not to skip any vegetables, especially the colored capsicums, as they complete the taste of the soup. After a nice boil for about 3 to 4 minutes, it is ready to serve. Do try this recipe as it tastes absolutely delicious. Let's serve it now. You can choose to make the soup of thin consistency. Also, the thick soups can be a good choice for meal replacement. Here I will make little chili oil for the extra zing. In hot oil, add little chili powder and drizzle onto the soup. It is completely optional. I request you all to use all the ingredients mentioned in the video to get a delicious soup. So friends, if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. For more such interesting recipes, do not forget to press the subscribe button.